Hey guys, Jason Labonte here with Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. I'm here with Kellen from Car Automotive, and we're gonna be talking today about this training event that we put on. So I have a couple of questions for Kellen. The first would be, what would you say to other techs, shop owners, and trainers about the situation that we have today, the training event that we're putting on? Is this something that you'd like to see more of?
Yeah, this was critical. I feel like in today's industry, especially for independents, we all have to work together to get the information.
Absolutely.
And to have updated, valid information taught by respected, diagnosticians. It's essential for us to stay relevant.
Absolutely, I agree.
Today I'm here with Kellen Carr. He's the owner and operator at Car Automotive. And we just wanted to touch base and talk a little bit about one of the training events that Kellen put on here not too long ago, and what it did for his business and what it meant to open up to other shops and technicians in the area.
Yeah, the training event was inspired by, actually, you guys. I went to your training event, you opened your doors to my shop, free of charge, which that's an important word to hang on to because we're gonna talk about it. And we went with an open mind, we didn't know what to expect. So when we had our training event, it was amazing. The first thing that was amazing to me was how tough it was to get people to come to a free training event.
Of course.
Please, it's like begging people.
It's free. I know it's your Saturday, but I mean, come learn something, hang out. It is tough.
It's tough, and it is a Saturday, so there's that. But getting people to show up is tough. But once people are here and in the door, and then you have this culture who wants to be here. The training regimen is fresh, it's cutting edge, it's incredible. The trainers want to be here because they realize who's here wants to learn.
Absolutely.
And it's a special environment because you're not sitting down at in a ballroom dying.
Yeah.
It's a unique atmosphere and it's engaging. So the training event was a game changer for us. And it's like once you do it, you never not want to do it.
Of course, absolutely.
So that's what happened here, and it lit a fire in everybody. And especially me as a shop owner, you get to see your staff get excited about training.
Absolutely.
So Miguel, with the training events, Kellen and I went to an event at Legendary. That was our first actual training event that kind of opened our eyes to the possibilities of scope diags, pressure transducers, voltage drop tests, things like that you really need to know. And then I think you came to one of our events and saw our training event, and then we came to yours. So how did all that experience kind of play out for you?
Well, when I went to car training, it makes me realize that if we unify ourselves as a shop owners and start making better use of our resources to train our technicians, to train our people, now we can maximize not just my shop, but everybody's shop. Why? Because now my guys don't get training once a year, they get training 4 times a year, they get training 5 times a year. And that's why it's important to don't be competitive. Let's help each other. Let's use the resources together to help each other to not elevate my shop or elevate Car shop or elevate Legendary's shop. It's use our resources to elevate the professionalism level that the technician needs to have in this industry.